Hello everyone, welcome to visit video from Shenzhen EAST LINE Communication. We are the telephone factory and our products include corded telephones, landline phones, and cordless phones, GSM, 3G, 4G fixed wireless phones, and also the VoIP phone, IP phone, and cordless DCT phones. Today we want to introduce you one GSM fixed wireless telephone. This is one desktop telephone. It has all the basic features as a landline phones. Check, this is the power on off, and this is a blue backlight. Also, the green backlight is okay, is available because this customer need this blue backlight. And it has two SIM cards, SIM 1, SIM 2. Yeah, SIM 2. This is the menu. We can check this message and call center, phone book, settings, clock, profiles, audio play. You can insert one memory card with MP3 songs. Oh, it's empty because there's no memory cards inside here. Is internet. It's a SIM 1 here. It's SM toolkit. Organizer like calendar, alarm, calendar. Find year, date, month, date. This alarm, you can make several groups of alarm to indicate what things you should do. It's calculator, like this one. In, out, in. I think this is not very common because you have mobile phones. It is faster. A sound recorder. Sound recorder. You have to insert one memory card to this function. It has two options. One is with the auto recording, and another is manual recording. If you make the switch to auto recording, when there's a phone call, they will record all the voices for you with the showing the number, and you can recheck the phone call if you cannot remember or you want to recheck the content again. This is the menu, message, write message, inbox, drafts, outbox, send message. It's like all mobile phones. It's call center. If I call history, missed calls, and dialed calls, received calls, all calls. This delete call logs, dialed calls, missed calls, call times, SIM 1 dialed, SIM 1 received calls. phone book. You have several different inputs with the letters on numbers. Settings. Phone settings is basic, like the language. It has English, French, Dutch, Italiano, Portuguese, Espanol, English. Here, the dedicated keys here around, like this 4 keys, is dedicated keys. Up, down, right, left, right, left, right. This for the LCD backlight. This one is higher. This is low. Yeah. Okay. Contrast is highest. It's lowest. Or it's look dimmer. Okay. Voice settings. Voice keypad. This is on. Voice incoming. Let me check.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, star, 0, pound.
Okay, this is voice keypad. Let's set settings. Voice setting keypad is get it off. Okay, done. This is the handset. You can use the hands-free. This hands-free. And this is the handset code or hands-free. And this code lines here. This menu, delete, audio exit. And this is the TNC antenna. You can take it out here. It's very easy to install. Let's take the back here. This is the battery covers. This is the batteries. It's 2 SIM card. You need a normal size SIM card. SIM card 1, SIM card 2, and this is the memory card slot. Check it here. You can find this is the batteries. In this phone, it also has the hotline dialing, like the older hotline dialing here. If you need more description, we will show you more details later in next video next time. Thank you very much for watching our video. As a professional phone factory, we can help customize your own products We accept all OEM orders. The MOQ of this model is around 1,000 to 3,000 pieces in each shipment. You make the larger quantity, the price will be better, and you can also save more costs during the shipment, the goods production cost, and you can sell them and do marketing in a low cost way. This will help you. You can click our website. You can find our website here and send emails or send phone messages or at our WeChat. You can contact us in anywhere. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.